Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about document object model, part of web technologies course. The document object model DOM is a programming interface for working with XML and HTML documents. It represents the structure of a document as a tree of nodes, where each node corresponds to an element, attribute, or text content in the document. Here are a few key points about document object model. The DOM represents a document as a tree of nodes with the root node corresponding to the document element. Each node in the tree has a set of properties and methods that can be used to access and manipulate the contents of the document. The DOM provides a consistent way to access and manipulate the contents of an XML or HTML document, regardless of the language or platform used to create or parse the document. The DOM can be used to parse an XML or HTML document and creates a tree-like representation of its contents, which can then be modified, added, or deleted by a program. The DOM can also be used to serialize the contents of a document back into XML or HTML, which can be used to save or transmit the document over the network. The DOM is platform and language independent, which means that it can be used with any programming language or platform that supports it. The DOM provides a way to access and manipulate the contents of a document in a structured way, which makes it easy to write programs that can process and analyze the contents of an XML or HTML document. The DOM is commonly used in web development to access and manipulate the contents of a web page, as well as in other fields like data processing to parse and process XML data from different sources. There are different versions of the DOM, with the most recent version being the DOM level 4. Each version provides new features and capabilities, such as improved performance and support for new types of documents. The DOM is also used in conjunction with other web technologies such as JavaScript, which can be used to access and manipulate the DOM to change the contents and behavior of a web page. The DOM can be used to extract and process information from XML files, and it can also be used to update or create new XML files. This is why it is widely used in applications that require handling and processing XML data. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.